Right before we get there, we have the potential for some heavy rainfall in the area. That's what I'll be most concerned about as we head towards the middle part of the week. Tonight's just spotty storms, especially across the plateau, northern sections of the valley, which I'll get to. Fog possibility again overnight, just like the past few ones. And it's next weekend. This time next week when we're saying, hey, isn't this nice outside? That's what we're going to be saying by the time we get to next Saturday. Live look, Dorchester Golf Course, hole number 1, Fairfield Glade. Looks really ominous, but basically the clouds are just kind of thickening up enough where it's blocking a lot of the sunlight there because of the shadows here. But storms are trying to develop just to the northwest of Cumberland County. This is Putnam County and Cookeville, stretching all the way northward up towards Pickett County, and that's slowly going to be drifting to the east. That's a pretty heavy rainfall along I-40 right now. Not severe, but just like what we've seen, you get stuck under one of those, you're going to get a downpour in a short amount of time. 6 Timeline's done a pretty good job with the placement and the timing of these. Watch from where we are right now at 6 o'clock. We'll take it through 8. Some of the rainfall again could be heavy. This is not good for southeast Kentucky. We'll watch that carefully. Northern Fentress County as well. The good news is decreasing intensity since we're getting past sunset now here at the 10 o'clock hour. And really after about midnight, the bulk of these showers will be done. That's 12. And then we'll take it into the overnight hours. It looks quiet. But if you picked up the rain, you're probably going to see fog first thing tomorrow morning, similar to what we've had really the past several days. So could be near zero visibility up across the plateau, southeast Kentucky, and down through the southern valley areas as well. And especially near some of the waterways, you'll notice that the streams, the lakes, and the creeks. All right, temperature-wise, upper 60s, low 70s. So that's pretty close to average for this time of year. And thankfully, lower risk for flooding tomorrow. It's not zero, but again, lower than what we have seen. But I still think it wouldn't take much stray shower or storm to produce some concern. So let's kind of time it. I think coverage will be very similar to what we saw today. This is 7 o'clock in the morning towards midday. A few spotty showers and storms try to develop, but again, limited coverage through midday. It's the afternoon, evening where we see those pop up and become a little more likely. But even tomorrow, I think the coverage is similar to what we're seeing across the region for today, and then they die down once we're past sunset. This is 7 o'clock through 11 o'clock on Monday. Now by Tuesday, our coverage does start to ramp up a little bit, as does our flooding risk. Just about everybody under that level 1 out of 4 risk for some flooding. And I think that'll go up by the time we get to Wednesday, because that's our most likely opportunity for rain. That's the cold front that's coming through that will eventually bring the dry air, but before it does, there's a lot of humid air ahead of it. So shower and storm chances looking likely, especially Wednesday into early Thursday across the area. So not much change tomorrow, a lot like today. Slight increase in rain chances Tuesday, especially late Tuesday into Tuesday evening and areas towards the west. But overnight Wednesday into Thursday, showers and some storms looking more likely. But there's the less humid air. I mean, we got low 60s in early to mid-August. That's not too bad for this time of year.
It sounds too good to be true, Ken. Thank you very much.